Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's certified pre-owned. It is a Jupiter red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys, tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo when you open the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. A nice black ash wood trim. Our hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. This GLA has 12,735 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out FeldmannImports.com.